Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm The Natural One. In this video, I will be showing full week seedlings, I believe. I'll make sure I put the correct date in the description. And so look at this, okay? So look, here is the cucumber. Isn't that nice, guys? And they are coming along beautifully. And here go the cauliflower. So that's always nice. They're getting tree leaves now, which is a good thing. About time, right? And here are the tomatoes. These 4 are the tomatoes. See that mushroom there? Okay. The next 2 was the eggplant. And so that's coming along. And look at my zucchini. I'm so pumped up, okay? Look at my zucchini, guys. It's coming along. I'm about to plant these outside soon. And this one here was this is the winter squash. So that's coming along. It's only one, so I'm thankful for that. And here is my habanero peppers. I'm so excited, guys. So yeah, so this is week 4 update. And I'm going to update next week because I'm thinking about transplanting this. I may do another video coming soon. And thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and comment. Okay, I really appreciate it. And thank you to all my new subscribers. I truly love you. All right, so I will see you next week. Have a great day.